this is V383 and today I'm bringing you Superloot unboxing, and obviously I've got the comic loot afterwards. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Of course we've got our t-shirt on top. Pretty nifty t-shirt. Batman t-shirt with bats making up his cape. I quite like that t-shirt. Doing well on t-shirts at the moment, they're pretty nifty. I'm not normally one for pins, but hey you guys! Love the Goonies. Some Rimto sour popping candy. What are popping candies? And some cherry heads candy. Random. A Batman lanyard. This is only actually the second lanyard I've got from any sort of crate, so I'm doing well, I'm not getting too many of them. A one-piece necklace. Well, I think it's one piece. It's different. And I think finally, I know we've got some paperwork at the bottom, but finally, wow, a Boba Fett bobblehead vinyl pop. I'm enjoying my amount of pops I'm getting. I wasn't expecting one in this. See what the little insert says. Oh, it's Sailor Moon pendant. Yeah. Not watched Sailor Moon, so I wouldn't know that one. But no, that's a pretty nice little box, especially getting a Star Wars vinyl. And now to the comic part. Issue 5 of Colder, the Bad Seed by Dark Horse Comics. Loving my Dark Horse Comics collection at the moment. Number 3 or 4 of Butterfly by Archina Comics. Artwork looks good enough. Number 4 of 12 Gauge Comics Ice even. Immigration and Custom Enforcement. Well, random comics this time. Image number 117, Invisible. my image collections. Ooh, what's this? Huh, another Minecraft band. I've already got one that I'm wearing. Thought mine fell off for a second then. Divinity by Valiant, number 1. No Marvel or DC yet. Number 6 of Supreme Blue Rose by Image Comics. Finally a Marvel one, although a bit damaged, Moon Knight, number 13. I do like my Moon Knight comics. I like anti-heroes a lot. Postal number 3 by Top Cow. I'm always after more Top Cow comics. Wild Ends number 3 by Boom Comics. My Boom comics are getting a bit more higher nowadays. Inhuman number 8. Don't have many Inhuman comics, so that's a nice one to get into my collection. Winter Soldier number 1. Sadly, I think I've already got this one, but I will check it out. If not, it'll go up into a prize draw. The Multiversity by DC, which I seem to get in every single box. So, I'm not sure what to say about that one. And Pax Americana Multiversity, which I've got as well and received in every single box. X-Men number 24, which I've also received in last month's version of this. Guardians Team Up number 1, which I think I also got in this box last month. Candy Necklace. And Avengers number 35, which I have not got. So some very strange comics, but most of them I haven't got. It's only the Marvel ones I seem to have recollected. So let's go back through and see what we got. We got the Minecraft bracelet, Sailor Moon necklace, still cool. The Batman lanyard, which again is the only second one. The Goonies pin. Love Goonies. The candies. The very cool Batman t-shirt. And the Boba Fett bobblehead. And that is this month's loot, Superloot. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I will bring you a new video soon.